said that as if he's like in a body freaking.
That was fucking bestial.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Sorry about that. I had to let that one out.
But he's okay, okay. How did...
Oh, I'm fucking retarded. I thought that was my teammate. Why not?
Yeah.
That was great. Flip that. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
I don't know.
That was for you.
Yeah.
This round.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What man? What man? What man?
Oh.
Yeah. Shut up, bitch. Yeah, we did, bitch. Send this to pussy. Good job.
See that vandal.
Pussy.
Till she gets the lock down. Oh no, you are talking in chat. Got to put her in a square.
Sigma, Sigma on the wall.
On the wall.
Rotating.
That was some.
Oh, I didn't even say that.
Bro, come on! I'm the only one that is new.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Hello, team.
Easy for ends.
Nick.
Jake, that was fabulous. Spectacular.
Maybe dust too. Yeah.
Yeah. Rare.
Listen to me. Stop and cut my coat.
Shut up. Good job.
Good job, bro.
Nah.
We sound so weird to everybody else.
I'm doing the Great Depression.
And by the way, I'm smoking connector nickels, not window. Jake, it's good.
You guys.
We can actually put this on.
This man down under in the Mexico is a way stronger pendejo than I thought.
Why any time though? What is
He fucking.
the crouch was so that you would
I want to take a pic.
With Cardi B. Yeah. Yo.
Back in the throat.
Play harding so bad.
Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Yo.
Oh, yo.
Where's got that damage.
No.
Damn.
No, he has not. I don't know.
Damn, I didn't do that.
Uh,
Hello, team.